Alright, Assembly Dojo. Tech 30, Shoo to fly away. Make the fly go away when the lights turn off. Relationships between objects are commonly defined by the respective switches. The more complex the game becomes, the harder it becomes to organize and manage those switches. So when this challenge implies that you understand the relationship that each object has to each of the other objects. Figuring out your own AI can be hard enough, but really understanding the overall structure of AI written by other people can require some really detective work. But you solved this challenge, so you might just have clear police work. Good job!